The bumper sits in the bottom of your nail gun's cylinder. The rubber bumper acts as a stop for the piston. The piston strikes the bumper at the bottom of its travel, which stops it and absorbs its energy. Over time, the rubber bumper will begin to harden and eventually will crack or crumble. Replacing the bumper is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nail gun's cap. With the cap removed, I can remove the cylinder from the gun. Now I'll remove the piston from the cylinder. With the piston removed, now I can remove the driver guide and the bumper. I'll install the new bumper with the notches pointing down towards the bottom of the gun, and I'll hold it in place with the driver guide. The driver guide should be installed with the larger flange pointing to the bottom of the gun. Now I can install the piston back into the cylinder, and this assembly can go back into the gun. You'll notice the top of the cylinder is oblong shaped. The wide part of this should face towards the back of the gun. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And that's how easy it is to install a new bumper in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.